Hi folks, my name is Dan Knighten. I'm the General Manager here at Audio Precision. Today I'd like to show you how we're going to test this pair of headphones with our friend Kemar and our brand new APx517 Audio Analyzer, and just how easy it can be. So let's get started. I'll just go ahead, position our headphones on Kemar, get a good fit here, and let's unpack our 517. Little box of goodies. And our brand new 517 itself. Okay, now from our goodies, I actually just need two things. I need a USB cable and our power cable. Go ahead and plug the 517 in. As I turn it on, I hope the first thing you notice, or more precisely that you don't notice, is the sound it makes. The APx517 is actually the first analyzer we've designed at Audio Precision with thermostatically controlled fans. So in a typical office environment, it will be completely inaudible. Go ahead and plug in our USB cable, and we'll start up the software. To get Kemar hooked up, I'll grab the cables connected to the two built-in ear simulators, the left and the right, and I'll plug those in directly to the front panel. Of course, the 517 has built-in power for the microphones and can accept the signal directly. The earphone I'll plug directly into the dedicated headphone amp. And so you can see we have a very simple mechanical setup. Two cables for ear simulator left and right, one dedicated headphone jack, a power cable, and a USB cable. And of course, everything here comes from the factory with an accredited calibration. In the software, I'll go ahead and select headphone amplifier as my output. And on my input side, what I need to set up is power, CCP power for the two ear simulators. I'll turn those on. I'll go ahead and enable acoustic mode, and I will calibrate or really set the sensitivity of the two ear simulators. I know Kemar well, and these ear simulators happen to be 18 millivolts per Pascal. And once I've done that, I'll just go ahead and add my acoustic response measurement. And now I can decide what frequency I want to sweep these over and at what level. I'll go ahead and stick to the default 20 Hertz to 20 kilohertz and 100 millivolts per Pascal stimulus. And I can see the impulse response of the earphones. I can go to the magnitude response in dBSPL. If I'm curious, I could look at the phase response, the input to output phase response. Of course, the distortion product ratios, the rub and buzz, and all the other typical parameters of an earphone. So I just wanted to show you that in less than 5 minutes, starting from an analyzer in a box, I can have measurements on a typical set of headphones. If you have any questions or you'd like to learn more, feel free to contact us via our website or reach out to your local Audio Precision representative.